What is up? We got something a little bit different today. This isn't music. Well, at least not to some. It's music to my ears. It's just funny. But we got a video that was recommended. This is All Gas No Brakes rocket launch. It just came out a week ago now. Pretty new, but heard this shit was funny, so let's check it out.
Just call me. Yo, let me call you back in like 20 minutes. The rocket's about to launch. Yep, peace.
Rocket launch, Trump 2020. USA! USA! Rocket launch! Let's go! Yeah! Where the freak is the pandemic? Are you freaking kidding me? Do you see the ONU now?
They live up to their name. This is all gas, no fucking brakes, dude. They own the gas right now. Holy shit. Damn, 0 to 100 real quick.
In 12 years, only one government? Are you freaking kidding me? No, we are not going to have chips. Are you kidding me? To Bill Gates control us? We cannot to have...
I'm not gonna have chips to a Bill Gates controller? What?
The Democrats, that bitch, Nancy Pelosi. Fuck you. Thank you, Trump, for the rocket. Thank you, Trump, for everything. I love you today. I love
The kid.
the Democrats, that bitch,
I didn't even notice him
Nancy
down there.
Pelosi. Fuck you. Thank you, Trump, for the rocket. Thank you, Trump, for everything. I love you to death. I love him to death.
no.
America is awesome, and let's make America great again.
What's your favorite Disney ride?
I am a survivor of brain bleeding, so I don't ride.
What happened?
I have a brain bleeding and spontaneous brain bleeding, but I'm recovering good. And now I'm bringing
These guys.
to make some memory.
Look at that. Looks like they're saying, woo, brain bleeds.
I don't ride.
What happened?
I have a brain bleeding and spontaneous brain bleeding, but I'm recovering good. And now I'm bringing my kids to make some memories.
We did it!
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
The noise, the sight, all of it was just super cool. And just their dedication to their job. And
Great again.
that's right.
Rocket launch!
That's right.
This is what makes America great. This is what this ground is standing on. American. This is what our godfathers made. We are Americans and we have the freedom to come to watch anything we can watch.
That's true.
I'm gonna tell you straight out. You know what? If Vladimir Putin came to America and said, I want to stop the Russian launch, you know what? I say, come see me first, because you ain't going to stop America doing what they got to do.
If you could say anything to the astronauts, what would it be?
Oh, Kentucky whiskey all day. Always bourbon.
I hope that was editing, man. I really hope that was editing, because, yo. That's what you want to tell the astronauts? Kentucky whiskey. Do you, bruh?
If you didn't come down here just for the experience of watching a launch, why? We have too many screens in front of us. See it live. Come down here. Get the experience
Bro, I look like the real life
of
Grinch.
interacting with other folks and enjoying it. You guys are doing YouTube? Because I was thinking about doing a YouTube channel, and I was going to build it around
Bruh.
this bicycle, where this is my pandemic project.
Those people are the worst, bro. When they're like, oh, I was going to do that. And they start explaining to you every single thing. It's like, no, man. No, shut up. We don't care what you're going to start a YouTube video on. Just because you're doing YouTube too. Like, I don't know. That's my biggest pet peeve. I've got a bunch of different projects. And just because you're starting one of the projects as well, I don't know. That doesn't, to me, it's not really a reason for me to, like, dedicate a bunch of time just to listen to your project. I'm sorry, but I got other shit to do. Like these YouTube videos, man. Like, I know so many people trying to do this, but it takes up too much time, and honestly, it's hard to listen to people like try and explain why they couldn't do it or what's stopping them, whatever. It's like, just do it, man. Just make some videos. Alright, I'm done with that rant. Anyways.
That's great.
All right, to nasty bitches, my phone number is...
What's your favorite
Yo,
Channel, and I was going to build...
I went on this rant, and this guy, he was just like, that's great. It explained it within 2 words.
slid around this bicycle, where this is my pandemic project.
That's great.
All right, Tanasta bitches, my phone number is... Nah.
What's your favorite thing about Williamsburg?
Oh, the bitches, man, definitely. Space bitches? Oh, man, they're out there, and I'm coming.
Fuck boy. Fuck boy.
To NASA, though, I do say thank you, and keep doing what you're doing. You know, we need more space travel.
God bless SpaceX, God bless NASA.
Elon, I love you. I love your rockets, but man, I just cannot get behind that rocket, Starship. You're not going to put an abort system on it to get them out if the rocket explodes?
Planned rocket hood.
It has 8 Super Dracos, so that if the rocket explodes, it uses those to get out of the way of the explosion.
But actually has more thrust than I think it was an F-15 Strike Eagle.
Well, I mean, that hasn't been proven yet, my dude. You have committed wrong. Think, go die.
I've committed mind fraud.
Halo or COD?
Oh, Halo.
Yo.
I love them both. Halo 4 is the best of all the games.
This kid is like... Okay, so if those bars... See those bars on the railing? Those are probably like a good 6 to 8 inches apart. This kid is like 4 feet tall.
But COD is a franchise. Go Black Ops 2! I agree that SLS is probably one of the greatest rockets of all time when it does fly, because it hasn't flown yet. So
Plus, they're using the same legacy hardware. Now, there you go. I love the fact that I met a fellow space enthusiast here. He's also really cool. Like, way different person than he was when we met on Twitter.
yeah, the girlfriends will
That's
take your
dope.
money. Astronauts make money.
No
You're
cap,
better
everyone needs friends.
than those guys? Oh, certainly.
These guys just met and they think that they are better friends than you guys are friends.
Really?
Yeah, how do you know that?
Our friendship began in the University of Miami dorm rooms, and we bonded over the game of golf.
Okay, Boomer. We're both gamers.
Gamers are probably the most oppressed peoples on the planet.
Fuck boys. Fuck boys. Douchey fuck boys. God damn.
I haven't played a game since middle school, man.
Uncool. Gamers, not gamers.
They're calling you a homo.
Oh, they are?
You guys think you would be compatible as a friend group?
No,
Yo.
I want to hear what you...
I guarantee there was no one there calling him a homo. He was just like, oh yeah, she's calling you homo. Bruh.
I'm not gonna tell you...
We want to hear yours.
By judging their, like, personality and potential interests,
Probably. It's likely. But I'd have to know a little bit more.
I was brought to the party. I mean, it's going to be a great day. It's definitely a great day for American.
Whoever did the editing of this, man, props to you. You know how to fucking edit a video. Shit. Because, yeah, I don't know, man. This is literally all gas. You guys live up to your name. Straight up.
History.
So, would you say this is more of a party to you?
I wish. That's what we were saying. Going to grab my cooler.
See you guys.
God, that must be the most American video I've watched. I don't even know, man. All gas, no brakes. Go sub to them, man. Peace.